Tired of struggling financially? Learn how to make money online. It isn't hard to make money online today. Actually, many families and individuals are earning money online. You can just supplement your income from your job or earn enough to support yourself on the internet. The following advice will be of great assistance. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. You can earn extra money during your downtime. Tasks that do not require a great deal of attention can be found online. For example, you can earn money performing simple tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. You can do tasks like this while you're watching television. While the chances are that you won't become a millionaire, you will be paid to work in the comfort of your own home while getting paid for your usual downtime. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. We hope that this video has given you good information about the hows and whys of working online. You don't have to let the rough economy ruin your financial situation anymore. Use the information located above to help steer you toward success. Student loan.